Usima Lifestyle Center. Eat for optimal health. I am so glad that you joined us for this episode. Remember that this season we are making gluten-free dishes. Yes, gluten-free dishes. So, before we begin our recipe for today, permit me to remind you that our cookbook, Simple Plant-Based Recipes, it's still available on our website, www.uzimalifestylecenter.org. Please purchase a copy for yourself and one for a friend. This is going to help them on their road to healthy eating. Also, we are still offering our diabetes self-management and diabetes prevention classes. So just follow us or send us an email, or you can give us a call. Our email address is uzimalifestylecenter@yahoo.com. And yes, you can call us at 917-531-7901. So for today, we are making a very interesting recipe. It is called vegan carrot cake. And this vegan carrot cake is going to be gluten-free, wheat-free. All right. So, thanks again for joining us. Now we are going to take our time and go through all the ingredients so that you can get a good view of things. So, here we have our carrots, right? And what I did as I grated the carrots, I also included some green apples. Green apples are great. They give great taste. They give good flavor, and so it's great for a carrot cake. So that's our carrots. Then we have our gluten-free flour, and I want you to see it's the all-purpose brand gluten-free flour that we are going to use. We have our baking powder here. We have our walnuts here. Then we have, instead of flax, we are going to use our chia seeds, right? So we have our chia seeds ready. Now, sometimes the recipe calls for olive oil. I'm not going to use olive oil. What I'm going to use instead is Smart Balance, right? Earth Balance, sorry. This is a vegan butter. And I have some brown cane sugar, organic brown cane sugar in here. And so this is what I'm going to use. In this bowl, we have our gluten-free flour. This is 2 cups. And we are going to add to this 1 cup of oat flour. This is gluten-free oats, and we just blend it and made the oat flour. Are you excited about making this vegan carrot cake? I am, and I hope you are too. So first thing we are going to do, I have the vegan butter in here with the cane sugar, organic cane sugar. So I'm going to blend it around so that it's all melted in. If you have a mixer, you can also do it in your mixer. But this is so simple that I wanted to do it just like this so that you can see what a simple process it is. All right. So here we're ready to go. We have our bowl with our flour. It is 2 cups of gluten-free flour, and then we have 1 cup of oat flour. So I've added my little bit of salt. Now I'm going to add my baking soda and the baking powder. See what I'm doing? I'm gonna mix this in. To this we are going to add our cinnamon. And here is our nutmeg. So here we have our flax. Actually, this is chia seed. And I prefer to use the chia seed because for me, chia is a superfood, okay? And I'm just going to blend it. So this is going to be used as our egg replacer, right? So here we have this ready. So we have all of this ingredient here. And over here, we have our earth balance with some organic cane sugar. So I'm going to put my flax eggs in here and blend everything up. All right. So to this mixture here, we are going to add our carrots. All right, and we're going to make sure that we are blending everything in very well. Now you can see the little pieces of apples there. So we are blending everything in. And now we are going to add the flour a little at a time. And we are going to keep on blending. Making sure that everything is nicely mixed in. Now, once this is nicely mixed in, we are going to add our date paste. Remember, we didn't put a lot of sugar. We put just a little bit of sugar. So the date is going to be a part of the sweetening process as well. Now we have our organic pure almond extract, and we're going to put just a little bit of it in. Just a tiny bit. And we are going to keep on mixing this in. That almond gives it a real nice all right. Now to this, we are going to put in our walnuts. And then finally, we're just going to top it off with a little few bit of raisins. Gonna put some more flour. We're going to make sure that everything is nicely mixed in. And one of the ways to know if it's the right consistency, after we are finished blending everything in, we are going to put our wooden spoon, and if it stands, it's about a good consistency. So what we are going to do, we're going to leave this to stand for a few minutes. On this side, we have our pan ready, and we are going to use some of the cooking spray. Carrots are very, very good. They are full with lots of nutrients and lots of antioxidants that are good for your health and your overall well-being. Carrots are good for your eyes. They have vitamin A, which helps to improve your vision. And it also has high beta carotene, which helps to lower your risk of heart disease. Very, very important. Then you have your skin health. Carrot, the vitamin A in carrots is very, very good to help your skin to look healthy and to protect it from damage. It's good also for your heart. Now, carrots have potassium that regulates your blood pressure and it reduces your risk of heart disease. Carrots are also good because it has a lot of fiber, which lowers your cholesterol level. Did you know? This is important, that carrots are also good for digestion. So it helps with your digestion, and it's also a natural laxative. So these are some of the benefits, and we are going to learn about some more in just a few minutes. Carrots are also very good for our immune system. The vitamin A and C, it has also great antioxidants, which can help to protect the body from various bacterial and viral infections. Wonderful, isn't it? Then we have weight loss. Did you know that if you're trying to lose weight, that if you use carrots, because it has a lot of fiber, it would help you to shed the pounds. It can also help you to balance your blood sugar, and it can prevent weight gain. These are all some of the great benefits of the carrot. Carrot is also great for cancer because it has a variety of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, and of course the fiber. And these help to fight against cancer, the proliferation of cancer. Also, the antioxidants that are found in carrots are very, very powerful to help your overall health. It helps to remove free radicals that can damage your body significantly. So all around, when you look at it, carrot is what I would describe as a super food. So as often as you can incorporate it into your meals, it will be a great thing to do. And carrots are very versatile, so you can use it in savory dishes, you can use it in sweet dishes, as we are doing right now, making the carrot cake, and you can use it in juices and smoothies and so much more. So carrots are great. Utilize them as much as possible. Let's talk about the benefits of the walnut. Walnut is another very important ingredient that we have included in this carrot cake. Walnuts are considered a superfood. Yes, you heard me correctly. A superfood, because it can contribute to many aspects of our health, including our heart health, our brain, and our reproductive system. Of course, they're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to improve our cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, cholesterol, and also it can help to control our blood pressure. Walnuts also include antioxidant, fiber, vitamins, carbs, and protein. So all around, walnuts are very, very beneficial to your overall health. As often as possible, try to incorporate it in your diet. But if you are eating the walnut just by itself, just a handful is enough because it has a lot of fats also. But it has a lot of overall great benefits that are excellent for your health. Did you know also that walnuts are a great source of alpha leononic acid? Alpha leononic acid, and that is called ALA. It is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, and these are important for reducing inflammation. In fact, it is the only nut significantly high in omega-3 fats. Now, the anti-inflammatory compounds, that omega-3 fatty acid, it may reduce your risk of heart disease. And we know that heart disease is one of the major killers in these United States. So incorporating walnuts is a great thing to do. So want to make sure it's nice and even in the pan. So we are going to make sure that we press it down here a little bit, that it's nice and even. In the meantime, our oven is ready. And so here we have it. We have our carrot cake ready to go. So we are going to bake this for about 45 minutes or so. And on the other side, you are going to see what this looks like. I am so excited about this. I can't wait to show you this carrot cake on the other side. Our beautiful carrot cake. Okay, nice and tender. And so here is our presentation of our carrot cake. Now you can make some frosting with cashew nuts and almond paste and just put on top of it. But I like to have mine plain. So here is mine with some strawberries. You can do whatever you choose. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our wonderful carrot cake. Eat and enjoy. Please try this recipe and paste a comment on our page so that we can know how yours came out. I'm just so excited about this because I believe you're going to do an excellent job in making this carrot cake. Your children would love it, your entire family, and this is really what it means to eat healthy. So thanks for joining us today for this episode. And as I always say, eat for optimal health, for your body is God's temple. See you in the next 2 weeks, and cheers to your good health.